Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's go ahead and take a look at how you can take pictures and videos only with the help of your Samsung S Pen. So if you're using the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and if you don't know how you can take pictures and videos only with that S Pen, then here is how you can do it. Now, the very first thing that you want to do here, you need to just open up your settings on your device and then scroll down here and choose advanced feature. If you come over here, you will see this S Pen, just tap there, and here first all you have to do, make sure your ear action is toggled on. If it's turned off just like that, just toggle it back on. Make sure your S Pen is connected with your phone. Well, now once it says it's connected, all you have to do here, just go ahead and take out your S Pen directly from your phone. Now right after that, just go ahead and open up your camera, and now all you have to do, you have to just press this button to take shots. So let's say you want to take a picture, so make sure you're selecting the photo and just select this button or just press this button, and now this is going to take the pictures directly from here. However, though, if you want to start recording videos, make sure you selected video option, and now you just tap this button to start recording the video directly from here. So guys, that's how you guys can literally take the pictures and the videos only with your S Pen, and that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all later. Peace out.